Imagine a ship carrying millions of dollars worth of goods suddenly disappearing mid-route. Or picture a warehouse full of life-saving medicines getting hacked and looted overnight. Sounds like a thriller movie, right? But this happens more often than most people realize. In today's globalized world where everything we use, from our phones to our food, travels through a complex web of supply chains, security isn't optional, it is essential. That's where ISO 28000 steps in, the international standard that protects supply chains from chaos, theft, and uncertainty. Welcome to TNV Academy. In this episode, we will decode ISO 28000, the global supply chain security management standard that's quietly saving businesses billions every year. Now, why supply chain security matters? Before we dive into what ISO 28000 is, let's talk about the problem it solves. Every supply chain involves multiple touchpoints: manufacturers, warehouses, transporters, customs, retailers, and finally the customer. Each of these touchpoints carries risk. Cargo can be stolen, tampered with, delayed, or even replaced with counterfeit goods. Cyber attacks can disrupt logistics systems or leak trade data. A single weak link can cause losses running into millions. Businesses today don't just manage logistics, they manage trust. And that is exactly what ISO 28000 was designed for, to make the supply chain secure, reliable, and resilient. Now, what is ISO 28000? Developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO 28000 sets out the requirements for a security management system, that is SMS, for the supply chain. In simple terms, it gives the organization a structured framework to identify potential threats, assess and manage risk, implement security controls and policies. If ISO 9001 ensures quality and ISO 14001 ensures environmental protection, then ISO 28000 is the bodyguard of your logistics operation. It ensures that your goods, people, and data remain protected from start to finish. It is not just a set of rules. It is a shift in mindset from reaction to prevention. Now, clause by clause structure of ISO 28000. ISO 28000 follows the Annex SL structure, similar to ISO 9001, which makes integration easy. So let's quickly look at its main clauses. Context of the organization. Understand internal and external issues that affect your supply chain. Leadership. Define responsibilities and ensure top management commitment. Planning. Identify risk and create measurable security objectives. Support. Focus on training, communication, and documentation. Operation. Implement risk controls and manage incidents. Performance evaluation. Audit and measure performance regularly. Improvement. Continuously enhance your system. ISO 28000 is a living framework. It evolves with your organization's challenges and threats. Now let's have a look on the benefits of implementing ISO 28000. Implementing ISO 28000 isn't just about safety, it is about business growth. Here how it adds value. Reduces losses from theft and fraud, builds stronger relationships with customers and regulators, facilitates faster customs clearance, enhances brand reputation and trust, increases business continuity and resilience. It is not just protection, it is a competitive advantage. ISO 28000 makes your organization a trusted player in global trade. To wrap up this, we can say that ISO 28000 isn't just another ISO certificate. It's your strategic armor against disruption. It ensures that your goods move safely, your partners trust you, and your business stays strong. Even in unpredictable times, in an age where one small delay can trigger global chaos, ISO 28000 stands as the invisible hero, keeping trade running smoothly. So, if you are serious about safety, reliability, and trust in your supply chain, ISO 28000 is the future you can't ignore. I am Akanksha Mishra and this is TNV Academy. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more powerful insights on ISO standards. Let's make global trade safer, smarter and stronger together.